and welcome to India Business Insights. Today we have an exciting topic lined up for you: the dynamic world of quick commerce and how Blinkit is reshaping the delivery landscape in India. We will explore the innovative strategies that have propelled its growth, the technology behind its lightning fast deliveries, and the significant impact it is having on consumer habits. If you're passionate about understanding the economics shaping modern industries, you are in the right place. Be sure to subscribe our channel. Now let's get started. Blinkit, formerly known as Grofers, has transformed itself into a leader in India's quick commerce Q-commerce sector. Founded in 2013 by Albinder Dhitsa and Saurabh Kumar, Grofers initially operated as a conventional online grocery delivery platform. However, after losing market share to competitors like BigBasket, the company rebranded as Blinkit in 2021 and pivoted to quick commerce. This shift focused on delivering groceries and essentials within 10 minutes, leveraging a network of dark stores for hyperlocal inventory management. Blinkit now processes over 1 million orders weekly across 12 cities, embodying its mission of instant commerce indistinguishable from magic. Q-commerce is a fast-growing e-commerce subvertical that meets customer demand for ultra-fast delivery of small quantities of goods. Unlike traditional e-commerce, which takes days to deliver, Q-commerce ensures delivery within minutes through localized warehouses. In India, this model is gaining traction due to rising urbanization and digital adoption. By 2025, the Indian Q-commerce market is projected to grow from 0.3 billion in 2021 to 5 billion, driven by mid to high income metro household, replacing traditional kiranas with Q-commerce service providers for unplanned purchases. Companies like Blinkit, Swiggy, Instamart, and Zepto are leading this shift, redefining convenience for millions of households. Blinkit is aggressively expanding its dark store network to solidify its position in the quick commerce market. The company plans to increase its dark store count from 639 as of mid-2024 to 2,000 by end of 2026, with a focus on profitability during this growth phase. These stores serve as micro-fulfillment centers, enabling Blinkit to deliver groceries and essentials within minutes. The expansion strategy prioritizes deeper penetration in India's top cities, including Delhi NCR, Bangalore, and Mumbai, which contribute nearly 90% of Blinkit's gross order value (GOV). Around 80% of new stores are being added in these urban hubs to maximize efficiency and meet high demand. Beyond these metros, Blinkit is cautiously exploring smaller cities like Agra and Goa to test market potential. The company is also optimizing operations by reducing the time for new stores to reach contribution break-even and leveraging data-driven insights to identify high-potential neighborhoods. This measured approach ensures sustainable growth while maintaining a competitive edge in quick commerce landscape. Diversification of offerings. Blinkit has diversified its offerings significantly to boost growth and attract a wider customer base. The platform now delivers high-ticket items like electronics, beauty products, toys, and pet care essentials within its 10-minute delivery promise. This expansion has driven an increase in the average order value, which rose to Rs 625 in Q2 financial year 2025, up from 617 in the previous quarter. Blinkit also offers up to 25,000 unique SKUs, stock keeping units, in some locations, reflecting its efforts to enhance product variety. The company has also entered new categories such as direct-to-consumer (D2C) products and premium goods. Collaborations with niche brands have enabled Blinkit to cater to evolving consumer preferences. For instance, its top-performing stores now generate a daily gross order value (GOV) of Rs 18 lakh per store compared to Rs 10 lakh for the average store. This growth is fueled by category expansion and increased consumption of non-traditional items through quick commerce. By diversifying its portfolio and leveraging its dark store network, Blinkit has positioned itself as a one-stop solution for urban consumers seeking convenience and speed. This strategy not only boosts revenues but also strengthens its competitive edge in growing quick. Diversifying its product portfolio also ensures that there are no major busy and lean periods during the day. Some of the new services launched recently include Bistro, a 10-minute food delivery service; emergency services launched 10-minute ambulance services in Gurugram; temporary dark stores set up at major events like Mahakumbh Mela. Financial performance and profitability. Blinkit has demonstrated remarkable financial growth and a shift toward profitability under Zomato's ownership. In Q1 financial year 2025, Blinkit achieved a revenue of Rs 942 crores, marking a 2.4x year-on-year increase from Rs 384 crores in Q1 financial year 2024. Its gross order value (GOV) surged 130% year-on-year to 4,923 crores, driven by increased order volumes and higher average order values. This growth has accompanied by a significant turnaround in profitability, with Blinkit reporting a profit of rupees 43 crores in Q1 financial year 2025 compared to a loss of 105 crores in Q1 financial year 23. The company, however, has a higher loss than the previous year in the most recent quarter, even though the revenue has risen by 117% year-on-year. Its Q3 results are Adjusted EBITDA, Rs 103 crore loss, a 16% increase from the same period in 2023 to 2024. Revenue, its Q4 revenue of Rs 1,399 crore is a 117% increase from the same period in 2023 to 2024. Gross order value, in Q3 financial year 2025, Rs 7,798 crore, a 120% increase from the same period in 2023 to 2024. The company's financial sustainability is supported by effective cost-cutting measures, operating efficiencies, and diversification into high-margin categories like electronics and beauty products. Blinkit also turned EBITDA positive in Q4 financial year 2024 and is targeting consistent profitability with an anticipated 4 to 5% adjusted EBITDA margin as a percentage of GOV. The jump in losses comes amid rising competition in the quick commerce segment, with key players including Zepto and Swiggy Instamart other than Flipkart Minutes, BigBasket Now, JioMart, and upcoming player Amazon. Despite aggressive expansion plans aiming for 2,000 dark stores by 2026 from the current 639, Blinkit has balanced growth with financial discipline. The average daily GOV per store has increased from Rs 6 lakh to Rs 10 lakh over the past year, with top-performing stores achieving Rs 18 lakh per day. This indicates underutilized capacity in many stores, offering room for further growth without proportional cost increases. Additionally, Blinkit has diversified revenue streams through ad revenues and partnerships with D2C brands, further enhancing its financial performance. While challenges remain, Blinkit's ability to balance rapid expansion with profitability highlights its strong operational model and market leadership in the quick commerce space. We have yet to see how Blinkit has to increase promotional expenses, including on advertising and discounting. We have recently seen lower prices and reduced convenience fees. Consumer trends and impact on retail. Blinkit has played a pivotal role in shaping consumer trends and disrupting traditional retail in India through its quick commerce model. Millennials and Gen Z who prioritize instant gratification and convenience are the primary drivers of this transformation. According to some studies, India's quick commerce market surged from 0.1 billion in FY20 to 3.3 billion in FY2024 and is projected to reach 5.5 billion by financial year 2025. With Blinkit holding a 40% market share. The demand for ultra-fast deliveries is highest among urban consumers, with 73% of surveyed users willing to pay a premium for 10-minute deliveries. Blinkit caters to this by leveraging over 639 dark stores across cities, offering products like groceries, electronics, and personal care items. Its average order value has risen to Rs 650, significantly higher than the Rs 100 to 200 typically spent at traditional kirana stores. This reflects a shift in consumer behavior towards smaller, frequent purchases instead of bulk shopping. Quick commerce has disrupted traditional retail by challenging kirana stores and large retail chains like D-Mart. While Blinkit thrives in metros like Bangalore and Delhi NCR, adoption in Tier 2 cities remains slower due to preferences for local markets and monthly shopping discounts. However, Blinkit is expanding into smaller towns, adapting its strategies to penetrate these markets. This rapid evolution has forced traditional retailers to innovate by offering faster delivery options and omni-channel experiences. Blinkit's success highlights how quick commerce is fundamentally reshaping retail dynamics in India, meeting the rising expectations of younger consumers while pushing the boundaries of convenience-driven shopping. How does Blinkit ensure the speed and reliability of its deliveries? Blinkit ensures the speed and reliability of its deliveries through a robust operational model and advanced technology. Dark Store Network. Blinkit operates over 639 dark stores across 28 plus cities strategically located within a 2-kilometer radius of customers. This proximity enables 10-minute deliveries. Efficient order fulfillment. Orders are packed within 3 minutes using advanced in-store planning and management systems, ensuring quick dispatch. Real-time inventory management. Blinkit employs technologies like in-memory databases, example Redis, to maintain accurate stock levels, reducing cancellation and delays. Route optimization. Geospatial algorithms optimize delivery routes, ensuring riders take the fastest path to customers. Scale of operations. Blinkit fulfills 1.25 lakh orders daily, demonstrating its ability to handle high volumes while maintaining speed and reliability. Notwithstanding this, the delivery staff of Q-commerce has of late received a lot of criticism on account of poor traffic discipline, and many think that Q-commerce delivery creates a significant traffic hazard. Future plans and challenges. Blinkit is focused on aggressive growth and diversification to solidify its leadership in the quick commerce sector while addressing challenges related to scaling and profitability. Future plans. Category expansion. Blinkit continues to diversify its offerings beyond groceries into electronic, beauty, pet care, toys, and even niche services like 10-minute passport photo delivery. Currently offering up to 25,000 SKUs in some locations, it plans to add more categories including direct-to-consumer D2C brands to increase average order value and customer retention. Market penetration. Blinkit aims to expand its dark store network from 639 as of mid-2024 to 2,000 by the end of 2026. While most stores will be in top cities like Delhi NCR, Bangalore and Mumbai, it is also exploring untapped markets in southern India and Tier 2 cities. Local partnerships. To optimize operation, Blinkit plans to run new stores through local franchisee partners and focus on larger dark stores for better inventory management. Challenges. Maintaining profitability. While Blinkit had turned EBITDA positive, its EBITDA has again been negative in the most recent quarter. Rapid expansion comes at the cost of short-term margins. The company must balance growth with profitability as it scales operations. Operational complexity. Managing a vast product portfolio and ensuring 10-minute deliveries across diverse geographies requires significant investment in supply chain optimization and technology. Competition. Blinkit faces stiff competition from players like Swiggy, Instamart, and Zepto, which are also expanding aggressively. Retaining market leadership will require continuous innovation and customer-centric strategies. Blinkit's ability to manage these challenges while executing its ambitious plans will determine its long-term success in the quick commerce space. Some of the newer competitors like Amazon and Flipkart have much deeper pockets and can outspend Blinkit to win customers. There is an increased perception that these industries are structured in a manner where winner takes all. Blinkit's role in Zomato's ecosystem. Blinkit plays a strategic role in Zomato's ecosystem, complementing its food delivery business while driving operational efficiencies and shareholder value. Acquired by Zomato in 2022 for $570 million, Blinkit operates as an independent brand, reflecting Zomato's belief in building super brands rather than single super apps. Synergies with Zomato's ecosystem. Operational integration. Blinkit's back-end fulfillment warehouses have been merged with Zomato's B2B restaurant supply arm Hyperpure. This integration reduces procurement, transportation, and HR cost, improving the expense profile at the group level. Customer cross-selling. A dedicated Blinkit tab on the Zomato app redirects users to the Blinkit platform. This facilitates cross-selling to Zomato's large food delivery customer base, enhancing Blinkit's visibility without complicating user experience. Shared infrastructure. While the delivery fleets remain separate due to differing operational needs, the shared use of resources like warehouses optimizing fixed costs and boosts profitability. Value addition. Blinkit diversifies Zomato's revenue streams by tapping into growing quick commerce market, which is expected to reach $5.5 billion in India by FY 2025. Its gross order value (GOV) surged to 4,923 crore in Q2 FY 2025, contributing significantly to Zomato's overall financial health. Additionally, Blinkit enhances order values by offering non-grocery items like electronic and beauty products. Competitive landscape in India. India's Q-commerce space is heating up with major competitors. Swiggy Instamart expanding aggressively with larger warehouses, preparing for a 1.35 billion IPO in 2025. Zepto, a rising challenger offering 10-minute deliveries. Big Basket BB Now, expanding with 500 to 600 new dark stores. Amazon Quick Commerce, set to launch in early 2025 to compete with Blinkit. Global quick commerce trends. The Q-commerce boom is not just in India. Key global players include Getir, Turkey, pioneered the 10-minute model, now active in Europe and the US. Gorillas, in Germany, rapid European expansion before merging with Getir. GoPuff USA focuses on convenience store items with rapid delivery. Will some of the international players come to India and increase the competitive intensity? Zomato and some other players have also expanded internationally. Will some of the Indian players use the advantage of large and growing domestic market and launch services in other markets? Please tell us, what do you think in the comment box. Challenges and risk. While Blinkit is growing fast, it faces key challenges. Regulatory scrutiny. India's Competition Commission is investigating Blinkit, Swiggy, and Zepto for potential anti-competitive practices. Sustainability concerns. Analysts question whether 10-minute delivery is financially and environmentally viable long-term. Competition. Zepto and Swiggy Instamart are rapidly expanding, increasing pressure on Blinkit. Blinkit's role in Zomato's ecosystem. Blinkit is a critical player in Zomato's ecosystem, driving growth and diversification. Rebranding as Eternal. Zomato is integrating Blinkit's Zomato District and Hyperpure into a single ecosystem. Operational synergies. Blinkit and Zomato's supply chains are merging, reducing costs. Customer cross-selling. The Blinkit tab in Zomato's app boosts user engagement. Blinkit is at the forefront of India's quick commerce revolution, reshaping how people shop for daily essentials. With aggressive expansion, service diversification, and strong financial growth, it is well positioned for the future. However, challenges like competition, sustainability, and regulations will play a crucial role in determining its long-term success. What are your thoughts on Blinkit and the future of quick commerce? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful business content. Thank you for watching.